Oh, it's roof install day today on the Bison camper. So excited to get this thing topped off and all finished up.
So yeah, we put this 2-post lift in. Makes it a little safer and easier for us to install the roofs.
Yeah.
And dial it all in, and then we'll hang the canvas. And so we'll
Dude.
raise it up and up so we can roll the camper under it. Start kind of dialing everything in.
Nice.
Hopefully it fits.
Hopefully it fits. Oh, of course it will. Sorry, I'm always killing the vibes with the music. I'll just sing to you.
There you go.
And we got that camera and it's rolling on in and we're in the shop and there's kind of some wind, but it's more so rain and we gotta go today. Cause it's a camper on the roof kind of day today. Yay. I made them turn their country music off for copyright reasons, so I gotta sing the country music now. And Julie and I went to the Bison. We drove through New Mexico to Texas, Oklahoma, and I don't even know what I'm gonna say next. Whoa. All right, look at that. It's got some pretty small wheels under it. We're gonna put a little bit bigger wheels under there. 40 inches, baby.
How much room you got before you hit it?
But towards the front?
Okay. How much room do you got between us? There you go. All right, leave it there and come over to your side.
Okay.
Oh, it's a tight fit, huh?
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on a sec. I need to close this window all the way.
Go up.
Getting that roof on, getting that roof on. The roof's so shiny. Nice gloss white. How did you guys do this without the lift?
That's a great question.
Right?
Very carefully.
Yeah, like.
A forklift and a lot of sketchiness.
Yeah.
A lot of swearing.
Oh, man.
All right, hang on.
Okay.
I couldn't do it. Like everyone says, oh, I could build my own camper. There's so many nerve-wracking moments. There's so much tricky things to figure out. Like,
Yeah. All right, cool. All right.
oh, bringing in the big guns. All right, all right. Whoa, scary. Whoa. Whoa. That was intense. It's my camper rolling down the road.
If it doesn't fit, you gotta cut this. I freak out on this every time and never had really an issue.
Yeah. If it doesn't fit, we'll just tie it down and you can deal with it later, right, Phil? No. Yeah, it's really funny to joke about it.
Stay up a couple late nights to build a whole new one.
Ooh.
Right.
Once this thing's on there and it's like closed all the way, it's gonna look sweet.
Heck yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right.
Coda girl, how are we going to install this roof? Oh, well, Dad, I mean, it looks like it fits pretty good. Just put it on. Taffy, what do you think? Oh, well, I mean, I don't know. I want to be close to Mama. Mom. Okay, she's there. Just put the roof on, dang it. I want to get comfy. Julie, what do you think?
I don't know.
Good, yeah. You like it? She was just literally standing there, like, watching Drew and Cody, like, wagging her tail, like, yay.
Oh, yeah, that's your mom's foot. What do you think? Is that what you think? Your home. Yeah.
She says, thanks for building it, Drew. And Cody, it's been so nice.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's gonna work. I
Heck
fit.
Heck
You're
yeah.
gonna fit too, honey.
Oh yeah, I'm shorter than you all fit.
Yeah, you'll fit. Friends can fit briefly, not for sleeping, but
No.
come on in, enjoy a meal, around the table.
What?
Testing out these actuators for the first time, huh?
All right. Make sure we can get enough lift out of it.
These are pretty neat. These things are so beast. The canvas.
Out here, just yeah, it doesn't have to be all the way out. I'm gonna get this started.
Just here helping. Just holding, really. This is some thick vinyl. Some Got a, heavy duty. Insulation in there with sunbrella material on the interior.
That's
Nice.
what you want.
So this is sunbrella, and then yeah, insulate in there. Super thick, well insulated. That's awesome. And then you can also rip Velcro to get access to the outside, which will be really cool for the front of the camper to store like maybe winter clothes on the roof rack in a waterproof box and be able to access them from the inside of the camper. All things we thought about, you know. And I was like, hey Drew, can we do that? And of course, anything's possible here at Bison Overland camper. So yes. I mean, yeah. Sorry. He's got a, you know. Sometimes I say these things, I get so excited. It's gonna have that file on it. You popped up. Yeah, it's funny. It looks a lot smaller, and then when you
I
add.
get wet, but I'm not spraying you.
Oh, that's okay. When you add the pop top, it's like, oh, okay. Like, yeah. It's good size, man. It's 18 inches shorter and 12 inches narrower than the Dodge Mahal. But the Dodge Mahal had this big, elaborate kitchen and more interior storage. And this storage is going to be under the dinette on the roof in the back of the truck. And we'll have bigger windows in this also. In the Dodge Mahal, we had teeny tiny little windows. We didn't have anything even close to this massive window. And then even the window on the side is bigger than all the ones we had in the Dodge Mahal. So, oh, this is the Crawl Mahal now, baby.
All right.
All right, we're almost to the end.
So, what was the canvas like in the Dodge Mahal? Ah, good question, Cody. Glad you asked. Actually, it was nice, but it molded, and it was white canvas, and you could see this nasty mold up in it.
Oh, dude.
And when I bought it, people didn't like want to buy it because of that. And when I sold it, that was kind of weird. And to replace it was, you know, thousands of dollars.
Wow, so it is good we're using this sunbrella material. It's like a breathable, non-mold like material on the inside of this canvas, right?
Well, it's non-mold.
Yeah,
That's very good. I love no mold.
it helps.
Yeah. So this won't mold like the Dodge Mahal did.
Boom.
That's pretty sweet.
There we go.
That was a pretty good reenactment.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad.
We had that conversation
Relatively
before we
natural.
said that, but we wanted to show you guys. Sometimes that's the way it goes.
You know, I'm sorry. If you could tell that it was a little fake. Yeah. We had already said it. I'm so honest. I gotta be honest with you guys. This is me being honest.
Yeah, how's that? Does that look like it's gonna
Oh,
overlap?
that's
Yeah, it's definitely gonna overlap. You're coming,
Okay.
window here,
you're coming, yeah.
window there. I forgot.
hold that
Like,
steady real
there's
quick.
windows all around in the pop top.
Yeah, this is
Oh my
worse than
gosh, we're
that.
gonna have some crazy.
Wow.
what do you think, honey?
Heck yeah, baby. Wow, look at this.
That's gonna be good, huh?
Woo-wee.
I mean, it's like a
That's
nice.
a mighty fine camper you got right there.
Oh yeah, it's like a little house here inside. This like one bedroom apartment.
Wow.
Dude, this is gonna be tight. You're gonna
Oh,
have so
yeah.
much light up in here when you want it.
Oh yeah, and then blackout shades.
That's right.
That's the other dude. This canvas is next level. Like seriously exciting stuff. It's so thick. It's got so much.
What? Yeah.
Ugh,
Wow, yeah.
some good stuff. Thick.
She thick, man.
Oh man.
Woo! That's a thick one right there.
Oh, I like it.
Wow. Yeah, that's really thick.
Yeah.
Holy cow. She's mighty thick, this one.
Oh yeah.
Just feel those textures, those layers.
All the right curves just where you need them.
Guys, well, thanks for watching the roof install video. Wrapping up some more things on the camper. It's so close to being done, and I am so excited. Thank you for your patience. I know it's been a crazy couple year-long project, but I was determined to get it done the best way possible every single day, every step of the way. No doubt in my mind that it was going to be done awesome. So thank you. We'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. The only question is, are you down to mob a Bison Overland camper?